There are lots of types of Hamburger Helper, but this video is about how to make 4 cheese lasagna. Set your heat to medium. If you cook it at a high temperature, you'll spatter grease all over your stove. Break up the meat as it cooks. I had to switch wooden spoons because the rounded edge made it harder to break up the meat. You want to have small pieces when you're finished browning it because it lets the flavors penetrate the meat better. Drain the grease onto a paper plate. Don't pour it down the sink because when it cools, it turns solid and can clog your sink. Throw it in the trash when it's cooled and hardened. Click like for this handy tip. Add 1 3/4 cups hot water. You have to cut open the seasoning pack. You can't tear it without spilling it all over. Add 1 3/4 cups milk. Then pour in the mini lasagna noodles and give it a stir. When it boils, turn down the heat to the lowest setting and cover. Uncover and stir to make sure it isn't burning. Do this every few minutes, and then leave the cover off to thicken up the sauce. Cook it slow until it looks like this. See how the sauce has thickened? That's what you want. Turn off the burner, scoop some onto a fancy plate, add some Parmesan or mozzarella cheese if you like, and dinner is ready. I'll give it the taste test. It's delicious. A quick, tasty, inexpensive meal. Hamburger Helper is comfort food. They don't pay me to say that, or pay me at all. I'm just hoping to help you get dinner ready in a flash. Click like to help my channel grow. Thank you.